Hello my friends, I'm back with my 4-week update on the Medicube AGE-R Booster Pro. Yeah, it's been actually 4 weeks now, and I have to say I do see some changes. They are subtle, but they are coming, and as I told you before, when you have just used it, you can really see it just after using it. I didn't see much last time, 2 weeks ago, but now I start to see general improvement in my skin. So that's really fun. It's working. So what can I say? I think it's fantastic actually. And of course I'm using a lot of serums, so we don't know exactly what is doing what, but together, and I believe I have a video already where I explain how this is working, and it is working by helping the active ingredients in your skincare down deeper into the skin. So far, really satisfied. So I will continue using this for the next 4 weeks. So it's the total of 8 weeks, and I will see you again actually in 2 weeks to get you the last update before the final verdict. I'm so happy with it, and it's easy to use. I mean, I use it every day, and the booster mode I'm using morning and evening. It doesn't take any time while I'm sitting watching television or something. I'm just using it. I will try to get some pictures up from the 1st week and the 4th week today. So what is on my face today? Actually, I don't have on much on my skin. It's just skincare actually, and a little bit of blush. And as you can see from the results, if you are doing that, you can see that it is getting so much smoother. The fine lines are not disappearing completely, but they are getting so much better. And also on this side. And another thing I've noticed is the nasal labial folds. They are not as prominent now as it was before. And in a strange way, I feel like the entire face is getting smaller. So it's kind of fun to see the differences. I really do like it. I told you I used blush on my cheeks today. Just a really subtle one. And it's the Sunkisser blush from Maybelline. This one. And it's in the shade 05 Blazing Blush. It's really easy to apply. I'm just adding a little bit. Oh, let's do it on this side. So I'm just adding a few dots here, and then I'm just tapping it out with my fingers, actually. That's the easiest part. And as you can see, it's just really subtle, but it gets such a nice glow. On my eyes, I bought the ColourPop birthday present, kind of what they called it, for $49. And one of the things in that one was this eyeshadow palette. So this is what I use today. I will present everything in that birthday package a little bit later on my lips. Also from this package is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. This is how it looks like. And that's what I'm having on now. As I told you in my last video, I did remove my lash extensions. So now I only have my own, and they are damaged from years with lash extensions. So I'm trying to build them up again. I've bought Swede lash serum, and I'll try that. We will see how it works. So what I have left of lashes is not much. It's really nothing. But I did try to put on some mascara. So that is the Sky High from Maybelline. And then I adventured out of the comfort zone and went for ColourPop green eyeliner. And it's so nice. Look at this. It's so easy to apply, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but I think it's so beautiful. It's a little bit different. Do you like it? Comment down below. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I'm uploading a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.